Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are playing some more Teardown. Alright, so let's go back to Sandbox. Let's start in Evertides and see what this looks like. Well, this looks pretty cool. It's like a mall or something. Open up. Why is this breaking? Oh, so it's like a mall or something. There's a lot of cars here. Yellow car. Time to drive out of here. Ah! It had a little drift. Oh man. Oh, there's like a truck here. Pretty sure. There. See if you work now. 360 no scope. No, this is a pipe bomb. See if it works. Oh, and yes, for some reason it still works. Oh, wait, you can't drive it. Well, makes sense. Ah! Kamehameha! That's better. Ooh, it's a brand new car. Let's drive it. Well, looks like I broke the brand new car. That's not good. Well, I guess it's there to rot now. What's that? Is this like a stage where someone performs at? Wait, can you play the drums? Oh, you can't. Oh, that's too bad. Let's see if I could explode them all with the spirit bomb. Spirit bomb! Oh no, that's not good. Oh snap! Well, it didn't explode as much as I was thinking. Let's do that again. It just destroyed like the cars over here. Dang, this car isn't even drivable anymore. Let's try this again! Well, that's pretty destructive. Dang, you took a giant cut out of that. At least mark it. Spirit bomb! Oh, run! Ah! Oh no! Ah! That's not good. That's not good. Oh snap! Well, that's place destroyed. Pipe bomb. Oh man, I wanted some pizza. If I would have known, I would have destroyed the place. Dang. Let's do a spirit bomb in here. Spirit bomb! Oh, snap! Come on! And I died. Everything's pretty destroyed. Let's do it again. Spirit bomb! Ah! was pretty close. Let's get in here. Dang, it's not even there anymore. It's all destruction and rubble. Let's do it again. Ah! Yep, there's officially nothing left except just rubble. Yep, it's just rubble. Let's get in here. Oh man. Spirit bomb! Oh my goodness. That's very laggy. Dang, I'm getting low FPS. What's here? I think I can make this even huger. Ow. Let's see the destruction. Oh, that's pretty destroyed. Kamehame. Ha! New pow explosion. Spirit bomb. Ah! I didn't do that much damage. No! Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I think that's enough. Pipe bomb. What's in here? What's this? Is this a vault? Let's break in. What's in here? If there's money, I definitely want the money. What's in here? What? There's nothing in here. Scammer. Ah! Well, that's dealt with. Selling tacos, selling tacos. Woo-hoo. Sniper, sniper. Bah. 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 Hoo-yah. What's in here? Oh, door. Can I open the door? Can't open the door. I'm gonna break my way through. You know, I should just use the shotgun. What's in here? Tiny little home. Break through the window. What the heck? What is this? Let's go bomb. Ball. Well, that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching to the end. And let me know in the comments if you want me to play more Teardown videos like this. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.